Yo, dancehall nice again, you know. Dancehall is nice again. Right now, you have Bounty Killer and Subi are going with them thing. Some people say SouFlo jump back in it, a kite not dead. Me don't know, me I rest off of that one there for a minute, right? Then you have the King Vibes Cartel, of course. You have Vibes Cartel and Valiant. You have Vibes Cartel and Massacre. You have Vibes Cartel and Vibes Cartel alone. I drop some hot projects. Me feel like me I violate the thing because I haven't been reviewing all that. But I know that we are going to talk about right now. Right now, we have to talk about Spice, the queen of dancehall. And I remember say Amari come out the other day and say she's the new queen of dancehall. And me I try to tell Amari say you have to sing dancehall music to be the queen of dancehall. And me don't hear Amari sing no dancehall music. But Spice show up, my friend. I want to remember, you know, controversy runs the place. See? Alright, so Spice show up now. And Spice look like she's about 9 months pregnant and ready to pop. Ready to deliver. Ready to give us a new baby. Want to see the picture? Alright, so there's a lot of people right now who are saying all kinds of things. The people them confused here, sir. The fans them, they're confused, but they're buzzing. Just look on social media, man. You can see all the comments. Some people are say, boy, look like a Spice breed for some strange man. A next person I say, oh my gosh, she was hiding her pregnancy for so long. I knew it. A next person I say, I wonder if a Rasta and Spice get back together. And this is the results. Hey, Spice is about to come on stage, right, with Mr. Winford Williams. So you know the thing I got official. We have to go sit down and see what I go on and hear what I go on. But hear me now, people. May I pay attention to certain things, right? And me I mats up something. And the mats is matsing. Follow me, you know. And I want all the ladies to comment. Remember before Spice left the scene, I said she had to take her little break. Remember, Spice had actually gained weight. So some people at that time was looking at her and saying, how Spice I put on so much weight? Some people were being mean and rude, you know, and I say, yo, when you get your body done, you have to go to gym too, and you have to eat right too, you have to compliment it and make it come out more. Spice look like she not take care right because she put on a whole heap of weight and these things. And then there were other people, including myself, back then at the time that was saying Spice might be pregnant. From back then. Yeah, man, before we get the little rumors about how she go down to the DR. You know, remember when Lady Star come out and bust out the thing and say, time for you to be there for her now, Lord. I've always been there for her, Lord. You know, remember that? Yeah. So, boom, Spice disappear from the scene. See? I want the mats with me, you know, because I tell you the mats is matsing. Every woman can attest that their first 3 months of pregnancy, them not really sure. Some women don't even show 4 months in. Still the belly just barely a little bump. Where people would be confused. Where them not really know if you're pregnant or not. Right? Now if you put that plus the time that Spice has been gone away from the scene. Take her like a break. Do the dates. Do the maths. She could have very well be up to about 8 months pregnant. Them time the 9 months pregnant. Right now, you know. Ready to pop. And honestly, the belly there in the picture look like she is ready to pop. Of course, there's a part of me that's saying, NASA, Spice can't pregnant. That is prosthetic. That look like makeup. That look like Photoshop and all other kind of something. And then again, the next part of me I say, you remember the time when the queen of dancehall tricked us? Yes, with the hypocrisy video. Yes. And then everybody did feel like say, yo, what kind of bleach she reaching? Our bleaching is reaching. What kind of bleach she use? And enough people did a cuss her out to and say, look on you. What kind of example you're setting for these young girls? Before you tell them say you love your blackness, you did bleach out your skin. People were convinced that she had bleached herself completely. You remember that? Alright, sir. So, I know the first time she has to pull a big one pound if she pulled one. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Here why I'm loving this. I'm loving this because she's been gone for a while from the scene. And even me, I asked for morning thoughts. I said, where is Spice? Where's the queen of dancehall? How she just disappear so? And this is for too long. I don't know, must remember. The time in which Spice disappear is usually like one of the busiest times of the year. That time of the year, bookings turn up. That time of the year is festive. We are talking about going down into the past the Thanksgiving, going on into the Christmas season, then coming into the New Year's celebrations and all these things. And she sit out the whole thing, right? All right. She sit out that whole season there. She been gone for a while. And if you calculate the time she been gone, plus put a little 3 months on it where she possibly could have been pregnant before she disappeared, then yeah, the belly could very well be real. Enough people have said, SouFlo foolish to say a talk. You know, to say a prank. Spice a prank we. Me not think so, you know. But then again, I think so. I'm on the fence. I'm on the fence for this one. Yeah, me up on the fence for that one. I don't know. Because I don't want to say a lie and then it turned out to be a true. And I don't want to say it's true and then it turned out to be a lie. If Spice is pregnant, a whole heap of man out there right now. It's not like them didn't go get a chance in the first place. But I see the comments on social media. The man them say, yo, Spice, how you fit do this to me, babes? How you fit do this to me? You disappear for me and come back and breathe for next man. Me think say me and you did go do that the next time you get a next one and these things. The comments are funny. Me have to laugh. Me I say, is the Queen of Dancehall pregnant? Is Spice pregnant? Is Spice in the advanced stages of pregnancy? Look on the picture. That is not new belly. That is advanced stages of pregnancy. One thing we can say is she and her team, or if it's she alone who come up with this idea, can remember, you know, if you're gone that long, you can't just come back and just say, here, hey, I'm here. No, the people them want you come back like Kiki in the door. Controversy. Something like that. Turn up the entertainment. It name entertainment. The problem with enough entertainers, them forget say they're supposed to entertain. So whether it's real or it's fake, we are being entertained because we are talking about it, don't it? Here I am right now talking about it. I'm wondering, is she pregnant or not? I want to see this comment section blaze up. I want to see everybody give them opinions and tell me if you think Spice is really pregnant for true. We can go into the well if she pregnant or who she pregnant for, but we're not going to talk about that part there right now, right? I can't wait for the on-stage interview because I want to know. But there's a strong part of me that's telling me, just like the hypocrisy, black hypocrisy video, what she did do when the skin did bleach out and people thought it was real. I'm thinking this might be another one of those. But there is that other part of me that's thinking, she pregnant for real. It look like the Queen of Dancehall is pregnant for real. Yo, Spice, me not lie. Me give this one to you. Yeah, me give this one to you. Come there and ask. Me say, where is Spice? And here is Spice. And Spice didn't just show up with 2 long hands. You know, like when people travel go foreign and them come back and them just hi, hello with some big grin. And somebody down a yard that say, boy, you not even bring back not even a t-shirt, not even some dollar store items, not even some soap and some deodorant, nothing. You just come back with the 2 long on them. Well, she did not fly back into dancehall with her 2 long hand them. She fly back into dancehall with a big belly in front of her, and we're trying to figure out what that big belly is. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. Do you think that the Queen of Dancehall is pregnant? I remember, you know, she's the Queen of Dancehall for sure. That's undisputed right now. It is what it is. Is she pregnant for real? Talk up the things then. Let's talk. Catching up on the next video, and I'm staying close to this one. Alright, I'm out. Peace.